Hi, this is attorney Jeff Rabin, and this is your Social Security Minute. Someone recently asked me at a in-service that I was leading to describe how Social Security actually thinks about cases. Because Social Security does think about every case, they just often do it wrong. Well, they follow an analysis, a framework, and they call it your sequential evaluation procedure, and that's contained in the regulations. Now, those of you who don't know me very well, I'm a roofer's kid, and I can only say sequential evaluation procedure twice in a day, and my tongue goes on strike. So I talk about climbing a ladder because that's how I grew up. The first step on the ladder asks, are you working? Because if you're working and you're making above the limit that Social Security calls substantial gainful activity, it's really hard to prove you're totally disabled. The second step on the ladder asks, is there a problem present that the evidence shows at least minimally impacts function? This is to rule out conditions that are severe medical problems like high blood pressure or adult onset diabetes, but don't typically produce symptoms that impact work. Then you go to the third step on the ladder. Assuming you're not working and you have what Social Security calls a severe impairment, the third step on the ladder asks, does the evidence indicate your medical problems meet or equal the listings of impairments? And the listings of impairments are pages and pages and pages of very specific medical criteria. And if you exactly match that medical criteria, Social Security is going to say you're totally disabled, eligible for benefits, and you're going to get your assistance. Assuming you're not working, you have a severe impairment, but it's not so bad that it meets the listings, they go to step 4 on the ladder asking, do you retain the residual functional capacity, the remaining ability to do any of the work you've done in the last 5 years? If you do, you lose. And if we can prove that you cannot, then the last step on the ladder asks, well, considering your age, your education, your work skills, and most important, your residual functional capacity, are there other jobs that you can perform in the national economy? If there are, we lose. If there are not, we get you the assistance. Those 5 steps are followed by every single decision maker in the Social Security system. And this has been your Social Security Minute, brought to you by the law firm of Jeff Rabin and Associates.